This is our Charleston class. Kenny.
I need Jesse.
That's all right. Whoa. So we started off with a little bit of transition from a swing, what's called swing shift, routine choreographed by Mike Baltasek and Casey Schneider.
Stretch, run, kick.
All right, one more time.
Rock, step, step, stretch, run, kick. Good.
Right? We're taking our hand to hand. Roll in.
So the skates is a tandem.
Roll in.
There we go.
All right.
And
That's an
then we
airplane.
did, yeah, airplane Charleston for a while. Open up.
Kicks up in that transition.
We have
Sweeping.
nice open airplane arms throughout this.
Hold both hands.
Butterfly.
Double rock step. Ooh. Hey. Come out of that however you want.
Into another type of Charleston or a new type of airplane. Kick, step, airplane. You can exit independently.
Alright, so we're going to talk about how to exit that since we didn't necessarily get into it. So you're here in this nice side-by-side position. We're kind of establishing this nook in front of us. We're going to start, we're just going to say that we already kick step onto our right. So we got left and left, right and right. Arms kind of go wherever they want. For instance, my hand's going to fold up over the top in order to get her into hand locks. They could also come up here in what I might call sweetheart position, or go back down. Whenever I'm on my left side, we can go double kick step, lock step to get into tandem. So one more angle on that. Facing this way, on weight on your right. Double kick step, tandem, Charleston, right there. All right. Study that, nail that.
Good job, guys.
Good
Thank
job.
you.